Yo, welcome back. This evening, we're gonna try to catch bass on this cicada, aka Dual Internationals Shinmushi. This is the smaller version. It has the, what do you call them things, man? Like on a spinnerbait. Let me get the spinnerbait skirt. Ha, there you go. I had to think about it as if I'm grabbing it from somebody. Yes, the spinnerbait skirt. And of course, we're gonna throw it on the Aldebaran because that's what I have out here today. You don't hear any cicadas, right? Me neither. They didn't make it to us. I'm close to home. I'm in a private pond. Got permission. He said you can fish here as long as you throw them back. So I don't mind because I don't keep fish as is. So it was a win-win for me. This lure is under 5 grams. Just know all of that. It's very aggressive. Now, what I mean by aggressive is that's a freaking bluegill. Tell me what you want. No, it ain't. It's a little bass. A little bass. A little guy. A little guy. Whoop. Go on ahead back in the water then, man. Okay, because you didn't want to be on camera. I get it. Okay, so what I mean by aggressive, right? Is this lure has fur tail, jig, skirts coming off the side of his legs, and wings. Crawler style bait. Reminds me of, if I had to say anything that it was close to, was Herndon made a lure. Which is one I remember. It's red and white, and it had metal wings on the side. I see a lot of crawler style baits like that now. That's the one that I remember being the oldest. There could be older models, but this is what I remember. So there's a bubble trail behind, very aggressive bubble trail. And I think it being so aggressive, the bites aren't nearly as big or explosive. I think they're scared of the lure. That's just my personal thought. But let's not get it twisted. Pretty sure this bad boy is gonna be a smallmouth killer. These waves over here don't make any sense. Thinking it's a bluegill, the male bluegill spawning. Try to throw it right in front of the grass there. I think I got some of the moss. I did. Got a ton of it. Now, you shouldn't do this naturally. And I shouldn't have been doing it either, because that can slap the jig skirts out for a minute because the top pops off, from my understanding. And I got one. As soon as I hit the water, that was a bluegill. I felt the head shakes. So here's what I'm gonna do, so that it's not so aggressive. I'm just gonna lightly shimmy it and stop, so they can get a good look at it and be like, okay, it's a bug, and then get a hit like that. Little bass. Little bass, not a bad one. So here's what I mean by I'm gonna lower the aggressiveness by just tapping it. I don't think they are, make it a little bit more aggressive to scare off those bluegills. Back to tapping. Oh shoot, I wasn't looking, I was looking at a wave. Looking at all them waves beside me. Wow. I think that, there we go. Get him out of that moss, get him out of the moss. Keep him out of the moss. Little tiny guy. Another one. This might be a bluegill. Nope, it's another little bass. They must be schooled up over there in this corner. Boom shakalaka, the tiny fish. Get out of here. Where is your mama? Where is your mama? Now I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do the bluegill tactic. Just shaking it just a little bit, stop. And there it is. Head shakes of a bluegill. Head shakes of a bluegill. And he got off. So there's two methods I use. The aggressive, just straight reel in, making as much commotion as possible, and the little shake, 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 stop. They're checking it out. Shake, 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 stop. Shake, 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 stop. If nothing bites it, they don't care for it. They're over it. But this usually entices a bluegill. See, there was a bluegill, and I missed him. And he's still behind it. There's aggressive, straight reeling, half aggressive, reel, stop, reel, and the lowest of aggression, shakes. That's the three methods I use. So, reel. I'm gonna come through here, just straight, pure aggression. And that's what happens. Stay down, little guy. A double up, ain't it? All right. Nice try, because you almost got me. Then I would have had to take you home to the barbecue. You would have made it to the barbecue, but you didn't. You're good to go. That's straight aggression. No bluegills want to bite. So, but all in all, it's a really nice lure. Definitely for bigger fish. But you can make it less aggressive by just shaking it on the water. And your smaller fish will definitely bite it. Really cool splitter. It's like it's E Honda. Pat, 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 pat. But anyways, guys, I want to thank you all for tuning in. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, your personal thoughts. I had a couple guys say, yo, this your channel's boring. That's fine. It's not for everyone. Just like I think some of those channels with them guys screaming and hollering is pretty boring. But I don't get into that. Once again, peace out. Until next time.